So what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Autocorrect not working properly after iOS 17 update. So guys, Autocorrect has been present on iPhones for a long time. However, it is still not perfect. Some users get frustrated as their phone automatically corrects their wording to something they didn't intend. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to get rid of this issue. Our step number one is check out autocorrection settings. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that the autocorrection is set up correctly in settings. Follow these steps to set up this. First of all, tap on settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Scroll down and tap on keyboard. You can see here option autocorrection. If it's turned off, simply turn it on. So guys, after enabling it, it's time for solution number 2. Check spelling and predictive settings. You should also check whether the predictive and spelling settings in your device are enabled. While spelling ensure that the autocorrection will work and predictive setting enable the iPhone to learn your vocabulary and suggest words as you type. For doing this, you first have to go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on general again. Again tap on keyboard. Scroll down and now you can see here option predictive. If it's turned off, simply turn it on, and you can see here option also check spelling. If it's turned off, simply turn it on. After doing these and you are still facing the auto correction problem, then try solution number 3, reset the keyboard dictionary. If all the settings are correct but auto correction is still not working, you may need to reset the keyboard dictionary. This action will also erase all the misspelled words, allowing you to begin afresh. For doing this, simply tap on settings, scroll down and tap on general, again scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset keyboard dictionary, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.